In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable screen edge swipe in Windows 11. Let's get started. First, all you have to do is to go to search menu and now just go ahead, type in Regedit. And the first result, go ahead, run as administrator, open that up. And now before you proceed in the registry, just go ahead, click on File, and then just click on Export. Just so you can create a backup of it, just write any name you want. Click Register. And now just go to the left side, click on H key local machine. And after you click on it, the files will open up. Click Now on Software, as you can see now. So I'm just going to look for it. Okay, and after you find it, just go ahead, click on it. And now do the same thing for policies. Click on it, and under policies, you will find Microsoft. Go ahead, double click on it. And if you find a lot of files open by themselves, don't worry, just go ahead and look for Windows. Double click on it. There should be an EdgeUI folder. If not, just right click on New, and then click on the first option, which is Key. And now you can name it EdgeUI, then press Enter and go ahead now to the right. Go ahead, the right click on you and then select the fourth option, which is DWord 32 bits value. Click on it. And go ahead, name this value Allow Edge Swipe, as you can see now. Just copy everything and make sure to type everything correctly. Then after you do that, just go ahead and double click on it, as you can see right now, and make sure the value is on 0. And then just go ahead, click OK. Now just go ahead, close out of this window, and this should be about it. All you have to do now is to go to the Start menu and then just go ahead and restart your computer for changes to take place. And that's about it. As always, thank you for watching.